Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of computer science. We are going to see the community tab solutions that are being given and whether they are correct or not. We are going to check them. If you're new here, I would like you to subscribe to the channel. You can find contents on NIOS, computer science, English, maths, also English grammar content from this channel. Let's begin. So the first question that we are going to see today is question number 11. These are already answered. You can go and check it in the post tab. So this question says, which of the following represents a single row in a database table? So the answer would be record, that is correct. Here and is answered by 5 people. Everybody has given the right answer. Also, when it comes to relational table, we call it as tuple. Okay. This attribute is for column. Schema doesn't match with the correct option. Next question, second question or the 12th question we can see here. What does a schema in a database define? So you can read each option. So this is the correct answer, and most of them have answered this. It is related to the structure of your database, including your table, the fields, and the relationship between them. Okay, not only relationship, not only data types, and the number of records. So this is the correct answer. Question number 13. Which of the following constraints ensure that no two rows in a table have the same value for a specific column or combination of columns? So it would be unique, not null. Defines that some value should be there. Unique makes sure that repetition doesn't happen, and check goes for a condition checking. Default is a fixed value in that particular column. Okay. So these are the options given. So this unique is the correct answer here, and it's answered properly by it's answered only by one person, and that is correct. Let's go to the 14th question. Which of the following statements accurately describes the role of a default constraint in a relational database table? So you have to say what default does. So this is the correct answer. It says it specifies a default value to be used for a column when you don't have a value. Okay, when no value is given to that column, it takes a default value. Like age. If you are not entering age, it won't take it as 0 for some value. It will take it as minimum value for a student to be in school is 6. Okay, so if this is the default value entered, the values that will be taken for that particular column will be 6 if no values are entered. Okay, so that is the correct answer. You can check the video from here, from this link. Next one is, which of the following is a DCL or data control language? This all three that are given here are DML. Okay, only grant is DCL. Okay, so this is the right answer, and it is answered by half of the people. Some have answered this select as the solution. So select is a DML. DML is related to the values or data inside the table. Okay, and DCL is related to the transactions that happens on those tables. What does the revoke command do in a SQL? So again, you can say it is a DCL. And what does it do? It adds new rows? No. It modifies the existing data? No. It removes the privilege or permission from users. It takes back the privilege or permission from the user. This is the right answer. And it retrieves data from a table. That is also not right. These other things define DML. Okay, only this is the right answer, which is a DCL. Let's see the next question. What is a primary key in a database? So what is a primary key? Primary key make sure that each and every row will have all the values different. Like if you have a serial number 1, 2, 3, no repetition will be there. Note 2, if the serial number becomes a primary key, any of the time this two rows will not have the same value. Okay, that is what primary key makes sure. So a key that uniquely identifies each record in a table, that is true. Okay, and other options, let's see. Key that is used to join to table, no. A key that is not unique and can be duplicated, no. Key used for encryption, no. This is the right answer. Okay, 17th question. Now let's see the next one. It says which of the following is a feature of RDBMS. So which of them is a feature of RDBMS? Hierarchical data storage, no. Network data storage, no. Object oriented, no. These are the different types, whereas relational database management system makes sure that the values are stored as relation or your table. Relation means table. Okay, so that is answered by most of the people. 91% is correct. Next question is 19th question. It says which SQL constraint ensures that all values in a column are unique. Okay, unique is the constraint that can be given for making the values as different. Also, primary key is possible, but only one primary key is allowed for a particular column. So in this case, unique is marked as the right answer. Okay, next one, the last question for the video. What is the purpose of check constraint in SQL? So check constraint, what it does, it makes sure that limit the values that can be entered in a column. So you give a condition like age more than 10. Okay, so it checks this condition and then only values will be entered. The first one is ensure that all entries are of specific data type, no. Ensures that a column cannot have null value, no, that is not that. Uniquely identifies each record, no, that is primary key or unique key. Okay, so second one is the correct answer. Hope this video was useful to you. If you liked this video and enjoyed the content, don't forget to give it a like, share it and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.